Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Today we'll be unboxing the Apple USB-C to Lightning cable 1 meter. Just got it from the Apple store. So let's take a look at the box first. This is the bottom of a box. It's a barcode here. It says designed by Apple in California, made in China. The side, it says compatible with all models with a Lightning connector. On the back, it says USB-C to Lightning cable 1 meter. As you can see, it's still sealed. It's brand new, not open yet. So let's go ahead and open the seal. Okay, it's open. Here's the cable, the USB-C, and the Lightning connector. It says designed by Apple in California. There's an Apple logo right here. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. There's a serial code here. Okay, let's look at this. It says certification and compliance of USB-C to Lightning. Okay, there are different languages in here. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.